Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the headlights on a Chevy Equinox. First, make sure your car is on a flat surface. You will need a wall or garage door and about 25 feet of clear space in front of it. Park your Equinox facing the wall. Turn off the engine but leave the headlights on low beam. Next, you need to mark the center of each headlight beam on the wall. Measure from the ground to the center of the headlight bulb. Now walk to the front of the vehicle. Look in the wheel well or under the hood for the headlight adjustment screws. On many Chevy Equinox models there is a vertical adjuster that you can reach without removing the headlight assembly. A Phillips screwdriver or a long tool may be needed. To raise the beam, turn the adjustment screw in one direction. To lower it, turn the screw the opposite way. Small turns make small changes. Go slowly and check the wall after each adjustment. Your goal is to have the brightest part of the beam just slightly below the marks on the wall. Your headlights are now adjusted and ready for safer night driving. Thanks for watching.